Now we commence in old ballroom hold, gentleman left, lady right. We start with a box, forward brush, side close brush, back brush, side close. Now we're going to step to the centre with the gents left, lady right, and drag the other foot up to it slowly. Slow, slow. Now gent right, lady left, we're going to step to the wall and drag gents left, lady right up to it slowly. Slow, slow. Now that's the first 4 bars, which is repeated. So we'll count it for you, ready, and slow, brush, side, close, back, brush, side, close, centre, drag, close, wall, drag, close. Now the next 4 bars are walks and runs. So we're going to walk slow, slow, run, quick, quick, slow, walk, slow, run, quick, quick, slow, slow. And that takes us to 3/4 of the dance. So if we could just repeat that for you just once in the beginning. We're going to do our 2 boxes and slow, brush, side, close, back, brush, side, close, into the centre, drag, to the wall. Now we repeat it. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, centre, close, now to the wall, and our walks. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Now our next 4 bars, the gentleman is going to turn to back to the centre, on his left foot with lady in front, 2 walks. Slow, slow. He's now going to walk 2 steps forward to the wall, lady back. Slow, slow. And we finish with a rock turn. Gent still turning to the right, and slow, 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 and we're stepping right foot back on the last step, ready to commence the sequence again.